Hi everyone, welcome to Beyond Tarot. Today I'm going to give you some tips on cinnamon, and I hope you have liked my reel on the cinnamon. And I'll tell you today about a little bit about cinnamon. I have done a video before about cinnamon also, but I'll tell you a little more about cinnamon. So cinnamon is a very powerful herb. It is a fiery herb. So once you want to manifest anything fast in your life, start using more and more of cinnamon. I would advise you to have cinnamon in your food, in your tea, coffee, green tea, in whatever beverage that you have. Just add a pinch of cinnamon and have it. It's going to really benefit you. It's got lovely health benefits. It's got a lovely manifestation power. It is very good for love. It is very good for success. It is very good for prosperity. It is very good when you want to manifest something very quick in your life. So I'll just tell you how you're supposed to use it. Now, cinnamon can be used in many different ways. You can use cinnamon powder. You can use cinnamon sticks. You can burn the cinnamon sticks and use it in your house. You can just go around your house and use the flame. This is very good to ward off negative energy. Cinnamon powder can be even sprinkled on your tea light candle like this, and just manifest that whatever you want it for love, you want it for success, just manifest, just say your wish and light your candle. Okay, after that what you can do is take your candles. So you can use red candle for love, green candle for your health, and yellow candle for prosperity. Use some essential oil. Now these are the oils which are made by me, so like you can use the money oil. Okay, you sprinkle some oil on your candle, and then after putting the oil on the candle from below to the top, just smudge the oil and take some cinnamon powder and use it on your candle and burn it. This is very good for whatever thing you're manifesting for. So if you're doing it for love, health or success, you can do that. One more thing, you can also take a bath with cinnamon and your coffee powder. So coffee powder and cinnamon you can mix. You can take one sachet of this and a little bit of, like say, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, put it in your bath water and pour it over yourself to remove all the negative energy, all the bad things that are going on in your life, anything that you're stuck with. And last but not the least, I would just like to tell you that cinnamon ritual which you do on the first of every month. Remember, first date of every month, take the cinnamon in your right hand. Just pray that it brings in a lot of success and happiness into your life. Go around your house with this cinnamon powder in your fist, and then I would like to show you how I do it for my house. I go out of my house, and going out of the house, just about a few steps, and then walking in and blowing the cinnamon powder just before you come inside, and that's it. You can smudge this cinnamon on your hands and voila, you're done with your cinnamon ritual. Just try this and let me know. DM me and do follow me. Do subscribe to my channels for such lovely tips. I'll be again coming back to you for more such lovely tips. So stay tuned, be happy, and always keep a smile on your face.